keeping it kind of minimal for tonight's little excursion. I'm not taking my camping stove, my wood burner thing. It's If I was going to an unknown territory, I would. But as I'm going up the woods, there's plenty of rocks. I can make myself a little fireplace, a little fire pit. I might take a metal mesh grill I've got outside that's going rusty and leave it up there and use that as a rack so I can put my kettle on. Basically, I'm going to take that. It's going to have coffee and sugar in that bag. Yes, the bag looks manky because I washed it. Yes, I don't buy plastic bags, but they're handy to have for carrying things. I carry the coffee and the milk and sugar powder on the way up. On the way back, it gets all the dirty things in there, like the kettle. So, we have about 2.5 litres of water. So I'm only taking one packet of noodles. It fits just right in my noodle pot I'm eating out of. Fork, lighter, kettle, which is going to have sugar, coffee, milk powder. My lovely cup. I love that cup. Nice little cup. My new cat training toy. Fucking squirrels. Spare sock, don't ask. Tissue paper, just in case. Also, very nice fire lighter. Okay, extra strong mints, just in case. That's basically for breakfast, extra strong mints. It's just like you have that blast of sugar in the morning. Paracetamol for emergencies. My camera, clip-on thingy. Spirits, spare shirt. I'm not taking the inflatable mattress, although it does get colder. I mean, a lot colder than what it is right now. I will probably take it as well. But at the moment, I've got my oven ready, my thermal jacket. It's not technically waterproof, but still, little bag to put it all in. My paracord, sleeping bag, hammock, walking stick, which also has inside of it my saw little knife thing, which is very handy. 2 rain tarps in there, which I'm not going to dig out, and the Bergen. The only thing I'm missing at the moment is I am tempted to take bacon, but then if I want to do bacon for a fry up in the morning, it's pointless without bread, and it's a lot more stuff to carry, like oil, like frying pan, like things to cook the bacon with. It's a lot more stuff to carry when you've got knackered legs and you're walking. It's going to take me 3 hours to do a half-hour trip anyway, because of the injuries I've got. But I'm still doing it. And of course, a fork. Very handy thing, please. Conveniently, ironically, that fits in there. Add boiling water, give it 5 minutes. Ta-da! Job done. So that is pretty much my little kit for tonight. Just got to fill the bottles up with water, get some cardboard, and that's me sorted.